Petition to the top.
बिशप की प्रसिद्ध रथ यात्रा जो हर वर्ष उड़ीसा के पुरी से शुरू होती है। इस युग की परंपरा में देवताओं भगवान जगन्नाथ, बलभद्र और देवी सुभद्रा अपने रथों में वापस गुड़ीचा मंदिरों से पुरी मंदिर में अपने निवास स्थान पर लौटते हैं। ये वापसी यात्रा केवल एक साधारण हिंदू परंपरा नहीं बल्कि समाज के लिए सांप्रदायिक सद्भाव का एक अद्भुत उदाहरण भी प्रस्तुत करती है।
Just after covering a little distance during the Bahuda Rath Yatra, the chariot of Lord Jagannath, also known as Nandi Ghosh, stopped outside the grave of Solabega to pay homage to one of the greatest devotees of Lord Jagannath. Followed for the last 400 years, this tradition is a beautiful representation of the bond between a Hindu god and a Muslim devotee. One of the biggest poets of 17th century, Solabega was born to a Muslim father and a Brahmin mother. Though he lived in Vrindavan in Uttar Pradesh, but when he came to know about the Rath Yatra festival, he left for Puri with the desire to see Lord Jagannath. But in the way he fell sick, so he desperately prayed to Lord to wait for him until he reaches Puri. And it was due to the devotion of Solabega that even after being pulled by thousands of people, the chariot of Lord didn't move even an inch. It only moved when Solabega reached there and had the darshan of the Lord with his teary eyes.
If you go to past history, there is a Muslim man called as a Bhakta Salabega. Bhakta Salabega was the powerful devotee of the Lord Jagannath. In the time of caste festival, Rath Yatra, the Bhakta Salabega stand a corner to look a darshan to Lord Jagannath, but he could not avail it. In the power of devotee and devotean, the lakhs of people pulling the Rath, but Rath was the stop due to power of the Bhakta Salabega devotean.
After this incident, Solabega stayed at Puri for rest of his life. During this time, he wrote a number of paeans in the praise of Lord Jagannath. Even today, his poems and writings are an integral part of Jagannath tradition and resonate across the Puri city, especially during the annual Rath Yatra. This year, amid coronavirus outbreak, though the Supreme Court had earlier said that Rath Yatra cannot be allowed in the interest of public health and safety of citizens, it later on changed its decision after a number of people and organizations filed petition to the top court seeking a review of its decision. One among these petitions was of a Muslim boy named Aftab Hussain from Odisha's Nayagarh district, who is now being called as the second Solabega for his noble move. A devotee of Lord Jagannath, Aftab believes that it is all due to the grace of Lord that Rath Yatra is taking place.
18 तारीख सुनवाई हुई, 17 तारीख को मेरा फाइलिंग हुआ, लिस्टिंग हुआ, 18 तारीख सुनवाई हुई और मेरा खारिज हो गया। तो मैं 20 तारीख को रीपिटिशन व मॉडिफाइड पिटिशन किया था, तो उसकी सुनवाई में 22 तारीख को माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अच्छी सुनवाई दिया। ये सब महाप्रभु जी का ही लीला है, मेरा इसमें कोई एक रोल नहीं है। तो ये सब हमारे उड़ीसावासी, हमारे भारतवासी, हमारे जगतवासी की प्रार्थना की ही खास बात है कि महाप्रभु उनके बात को सुन लिया।